The shooting that injured another child in Akron happened here in the 900 block of McKinley Avenue. Police say shots were fired from one car into another, striking an 11-year-old girl who was riding in the back seat.
And this could have been another tragic incident where we've lost a young person. Fortunately, we didn't.
The frightening incident unfolded last Friday around 5 p.m. in this South Akron neighborhood. According to police, the girl was in the back seat, her father in the front passenger seat, and a woman driving, when suddenly someone in a car behind them started firing shots. 2 bullets struck the girl in her arm and shoulder.
To my knowledge, there was no prior incident, no road rage or any incident like that. They haven't reported to have had any problems leading up to that with anyone in particular.
The girl was driven to this fire station where paramedics provided treatment before taking her to Akron Children's Hospital. She's now recovering at home. Police have no suspects. Lieutenant Michael Miller says violence against Akron children in 2020 is beyond disturbing. 7 people who were 18 or younger have been murdered, 6 of them by gunfire.
We're talking kids, and these are most often young adults or adults that are making extremely poor decisions to impact children. The families are forever impacted by this anytime you have this type of trauma, this type of incident, and there's no place for it.
It is awful for that little girl. I mean, she's going to be frightened forever after this one. Donald, a lot of times when we take a look at these stories, we're looking at motive. I couldn't imagine a motive to shoot in the back of this car, and especially this 11-year-old girl. It doesn't make sense to me.
It never does, Vinny. In these type of shootings, and a lot of times they're gang shootings. I don't know if it was in this case, but it kind of smells like one. A lot of innocent people get hit. I can't tell you how many cases I investigated when there were small children playing on the playground that got hit by bullets that weren't intended to be at them, but they just happened to be shots. In this case, the parents are going to be helping the police probably. They might have gotten a glimpse of the vehicle, and I think the police are going to canvass the neighborhood. Hopefully somebody will come forward. But as you know, Vinny, people are reluctant to go forward when there are, gangs out there. And that's the biggest challenge here. So with a lot of work up on this case and with a little bit of luck, it could be solved.